Hey everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to the week 6 video for becoming a digital learner. We're going to be learning on how to communicate and interact with other students at Summit Learning Charter. So at Summit Learning Charter, we've got over 1,100 students in grades K to 12 in different programs, our elementary, our virtual, our early college program, and we are spread out all across Estacada, Gresham, Sandy, Clackamas, Portland, Tigard, Beaverton, Hillsborough, Salem, and much, much more, right? We are spread out with a lot of students all over Oregon. And you've been interacting with all these students. You've been coming to study halls, doing enrichment classes, participating in online classes, and being part of discussions and group activities. And so we want to emphasize that at Summit Learning Charter, although we are all part of one school community, we're all different in our backgrounds, cultures, beliefs, upbringings, and even locations. And this is a good thing. This is something we want to support, encourage, and even value here at our school. So let's start with the Student Code of Conduct. This is linked to all of your Canvas classes, and it talks about online behavior, computer usage, cyberbullying, and the different consequences for students that choose to act in ways that are not helpful for our school. To find the Student Code of Conduct, go into any of your Canvas classes, go to Modules, and look at the very top for the Course Information module, and you'll see the Student Code of Conduct as one of the things you can go in and read. I definitely invite you this week to go in, look over that, look over some of the language that we have. This is, again, a really important value for our school. But let's talk about some of the main points. For online behavior, when you're taking classes online at Summit Learning Charter, don't be rude, disrespectful, discriminate, or be mean to other students. Instead, be courteous and kind, respectful, and empathetic. Empathy just means you're able to see other students' point of views and have an idea about how they are taking in a certain situation. Good learners are open to understanding how others see the world. When it comes to cyberbullying, all students have the right to learn in a safe and secure environment free from discrimination. Again, I want to emphasize that. All students, every single student in our school has the right to learn in a safe and secure environment free from discrimination. So what does that mean? Be aware of what you are sending or sharing online. How might others see it? How might others view it? Are you hurting someone in some sort of way? If you are targeted or if you are aware of bullying, please report this to a staff member. We want to keep our school community strong, and we have a really strong stance on bullying. We don't want that to allow in our school. How about in person? When you come to any of our campuses, study halls, enrichment classes, when you're interacting with students in person, there's some things we want you to keep in mind as well. Don't tolerate a culture of making fun or bullying. Instead, show kindness and support to all students. Even be aware of new students and include them. Oftentimes we have students that transfer in from other situations that weren't so great. When they come to Summit Learning Community, we want them to experience kindness. We want them to experience community and being able to belong somewhere. Help build the school community the way you would want it to be. So in summary, this is a school. You've been here now for several weeks. Hopefully you're starting to find your own way, find your own classes, have some success. But I want you to also think about the community. How can you help make Summit Learning Charter a place that you and all other students would want to be at? If you have any other questions or want to talk about this more with staff, with other students, let us know. We'd love to have you be shaping our school into some really positive ways.